today we're going to show you about our slime. It's very stretchy. And also, it won't even stick anywhere.
So wait, they have different ones. Show the other ones. Like part of it.
My one. This is my other one.
You don't have to play with it. You can just show it.
See, and I'm not using it because it's hard.
And even though they have the same slime, it has different textures. Like this one doesn't feel like this one. And this one doesn't feel like that one.
And we don't play like the same one. She plays with this one. And I play with that one.
Yeah, because you see her one is really soft. I really like this one. And that one of her one is not so as soft, but this one is. And her one like this is not as soft, right? So show them the cool stuff your slime can do.
Okay, I'm going to show you first mine.
Okay.
And it won't even break. And also, it won't even stick on your hair, on the floor, and on the table. So this is magic slime.
Oh, that's cool.
Check, it doesn't even stick on the floor.
Oh, but her ones makes your hands pink, right?
Yeah, look guys. You can do whatever you want. You can even roll it. It gets longer and longer.
Mm-hmm.
Like this. See?
Don't mix them.
See, like this. And check what you can even do with it.
Okay, from her slime, which one do you like the most?
I like this one.
And from her slime?
I like this one.
Oh, okay. So these are like the good slimes from the set, and the other ones, they don't like as much. But this one of hers, I don't know which one's my favorite, but I just like this one because it's super soft. Sorry, I ruined your thingy. And also, I really like this one because it's also really soft. And your one doesn't stretch so much, ne?
It does.
Yeah, but because of the ball, it breaks. Oh, okay. Let's see who can stretch the slime the longest.
I got it.
Yeah, her one doesn't really. Okay, your one stretches a lot. Okay, guys.
Now this time, and you can use your own. Yeah.
Okay, so we'll just...
It's really nice. So guys, let's she's gonna show you about it.
What are you doing? Oh, you flipped it again. Okay, wait, let me show you back.
Wait,
You're gonna show me.
So guys, look. This is how it's looking for her. She made also she got fun. It was lots of bubbles also. All of them were lots of bubbles.
I just took out a little because the rest of it is stuck. Must I hold it?
So let me help you. Yeah.
No, my full.